Install and power on, and no need balancing. Attach a tripod to the gimbal via the 1/4-inch thread screw port at the bottom of handle. Unfold the gimbal. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to power on. Click the power button to switch the phone clip into horizontal direction. Install the mobile into the phone clip and make sure the camera lens of mobile is at the left side. Keep the phone clamped and balanced centrally. Tips: please also make sure that the mobile is firmly attached to prevent vibration or jerking of the gimbal. We strongly recommend removing the mobile phone case. Thanks for watching.